Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about candlestick patterns. Now this is like the fifth episode, me explaining about candlestick patterns. Now if you're trying to give a brief introduction, we have been breaking down all kinds of candlestick patterns. But now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about the bearish layered trap pattern. Now, what does this candlestick pattern mean, or what is its influence in the forex market? Mainly, like I told you before, if you're to trade these candlestick patterns, they must be spotted on either support and resistance level, or trend line, a strong trend line support, or a resistance trend line, or a supply and demand levels. So this is where you must be considering trading these candlestick patterns. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about bearish layered trap. Now without wasting time, I have a little bit illustration of the bearish layered trap, which is here. Now you find the first candle, which is our bullish candle, is the same as the bearish candle, because this is the bearish layered trap, but we also have a bullish layered trap. But in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about the bearish layered trap. Now when you compare the body of the first formed candle and the body of the second formed candle, they are on the same level. That's why it's called the bearish layered trap. The candlestick are, now here the notes. You may think of them as reflected candles. The candlestick are configured, or you may think of them as reflected candles. Why are they saying that they are reflected candles? Because they look the same, but they just differ from the color. These candles represent higher prices rejection. What I notified when these candles happen on our 4 time frame, the shooting star forms on a daily. That means these candlesticks are going to be more of effective. You get it? So we must look for them in the resistance area to go short. That's why I told you candlestick patterns are more so effective when they are spotted on either support level or resistance level. A picture below shows how you can trade these types of patterns. We do not just trade them anywhere, but we check them on real or level, which is our resistance level for high probability trade. The trade below may be confusing to the notified and indicator traders. It's simple. In this case, a broken support had become a new resistance. That's why I went short, but the trade did not. It may take profit, but it got stopped down by a trading stop. Now I'm going to make a video talking more about a trailing stop. A trailing stop, this is when you enter your trade, then after trade making money, you consider booking some profit by putting your SL on a break even. So even if there is some news which has occurred, or some event, or unexpected volatility, you find your capital is being reserved, it's not being affected by the market. Now I have a little bit illustration about the candlestick pattern I've tried to explain for you. When you come across this candlestick pattern in hour 4, daily time frame or weekly time frame, on a resistance level, just know this candlestick pattern is going to be more and more effective. Why? I have a little bit illustration. Now this was my zone, my resistance zone, and this was our candlestick pattern. I was in a hour 4 time frame. So you can see we had an inverted hammer here on the support, which is shot all the way to the upside. When you reached at this level, we had a little bit consolidation, we had a weak rejection up to when the prices pushed back to this resistance level. We had our first candle formed, which is the first candle always must be a bullish, then the second candle is always a bearish. Then after the confirmation of this candlestick pattern of ours, we had to enter a sell. Then we saw all the prices dropping down to the upside. Remember, when you get in this trade, make sure that your stop loss is above this resistance level. That means if prices break that resistance level, it's no longer a sell. You must be looking for buying momentums. So that's all we had for you in today's video. We have been breaking down the candlestick pattern called a bearish lighter track. So if you come across this candlestick pattern, just remember to this video what FX Development has told you, that we mainly support this candlestick pattern on a resistance level. So now if you watch this video and you haven't subscribed to our channel, now this is the right time you do subscribe and like plus sharing this video, and also commenting down in the description if you feel like this video has a lot of information or you have learned a lot from it. Do subscribe at the moment. For the reliable forex broker we recommend you to use is Exness. So Exness is the fastest broker we recommend you to use. Also the link will be down here in the description. So sign up with Exness and start your trading journey. Inshallah.